Hey guys, and welcome home. My name is Ashley, one of the creative minds behind P.s. Home Interiors.
And I am Danielle. Here on our YouTube channel, we are talking all things interior design, home decor, and interior styling. We have all of the tips, tricks, hacks, hauls, and tutorials for your home needs.
We post new videos every Tuesday, so be sure to subscribe. And if you want to be notified every time we post a video, be sure to click the notification bell. And remember to love where you live.
In today's video, we are talking about 7 ways to make your bathroom more luxurious.
So the bathroom is one of the most frequently used places inside of the home. On average, the average person will spend about 770 days inside of the bathroom. And if we're doing proper math, that's about 2 years to spend in the bathroom. So we want to make sure that those areas are more comfortable and luxurious.
Luxurious bathrooms consist of a combination of thoughtful design and carefully chosen decor. We have researched design trends to make your bathroom a luxurious place to retreat and relax.
So our tip number 1 for a more luxurious bathroom is to declutter/clean. Imagine going to your favorite resort or spa and you're getting ready to wind down and you have your bathrobe on, you've steamed up the shower, and you look down and you see someone else's hair. Like if you were to see a bunch of things on the countertops in the spa, or you were to see like a bunch of hair on the floor and things like that, you wouldn't think that those areas were luxurious. And the same rings true inside of our own homes. Just because it's our stuff and it's our hair doesn't make it feel any more luxe than if it were at a luxurious hotel. It makes no sense to do anything else on this list if we do not start here. Decluttering and cleaning tricks the mind into thinking that you're entering a new, fresh, clean space every time, because you are. If we take out those things that are in abundance or that we don't use, I heard some person say that they haven't cleaned under their sink in 2 years. Do you know how much stuff you can collect in 2 years? I'm pretty sure most of the stuff that was under there was A, expired, or 2, she had maybe multiples of them, because if it's out of sight, it's out of mind. So decluttering and cleaning is on every designer's list for a reason.
Good reason.
We want you to enjoy these spaces. We want these spaces to feel like a home away from home inside of your home. So if you declutter, that helps.
Additionally, decluttering your space allows for your design finishes and all of your decor to shine. If you have so many things on your sink or on your counters, we can't see your beautiful countertops, we can't see your hardware, so please declutter and clean. Okay, tip number 2 is lighting. Oh my gosh, lighting in bathrooms is typically the absolute worst. It is usually in a really bad spot that is going to cause really bad shadows, making it hard to shave or apply makeup. We suggest that to create a luxurious bathroom, you update your lighting. Make sure that it is in a space that complements your face well, and we also suggest that the temperature of the lighting is correct. You really want a daylight, a bright light in the bathroom. You don't really want those soft whites that are really, really warm. It makes it hard to see. We suggest incorporating 3 different types of lighting into your space. The first type is the ambient light. This is the general light that will bring light to the entire space. The second type is your task light. This light serves for a very specific purpose, like to apply makeup, or even to highlight a decorated space like a niche in your bathroom. The third type of lighting is an accent light that will provide the luxurious effect.
So rolling right into number 3, bathrooms, you know, they have a lot of tile and a lot of hard, you know, cold surfaces. So we want to incorporate a lot of warmth into the bathroom, or at least some warmth in the bathroom. And since we're not doing it with our lighting because of the different aspects of lighting that we need to use inside of the bathroom, we're going to incorporate it through wood or maybe wallpaper or something like that. Something that will bring like some warmth into the bathroom so that it has that cozy, luxurious feel.
Tile can so often feel so cold, right? So adding in those different aspects will make it feel like home in a place that you really want to retreat and relax. All right, guys, so tip number 4 we have for you is to upgrade your vanity. The vanity is really like the heart of the bathroom. It really serves as a focal point, something that immediately draws your eye, right? We suggest that you include nice warm wood tones, right? We just talked about adding warmth to your bathroom.
Right,
having a wood vanity allows you to incorporate the warmth into the space to take off that cold feel. We also suggest that you choose wisely your sink type. You can have a vessel sink, you can have an undermount sink, but some of those types really scream luxurious.
Right.
We also say to give special consideration to the type of faucet that you have. They have beautiful waterfall sinks and faucets. They also have faucets that come out from the wall. So we think that you should include those into your design. Also, we think that you guys should take consideration into what your hardware looks like.
Wow.
Hardware is kind of like putting on lipstick, right?
Yeah.
I really think it adds that special touch. So really think about the hardware that you put into your bathroom on your vanities. And lastly, let's think about cool features that vanities offer us. I don't think anything screams more luxurious to me than soft closing doors. So if you want to add some luxe to your bathroom and take it from drab to fab, upgrade that vanity.
So when she was talking about, you know, upgrading the vanity and, you know, adding that hardware can actually change a piece from a transitional piece to a more contemporary piece to a more traditional piece. Like hardware, you know, it changes the style. So even if right now you may be like, oh, well, we don't have the funds to do a whole bathroom gut and reinstall. You can look at different types of hardware, whether you want long handles or short handles or something, or pulls, like the different types of pulls that they have, you know, where you can stick your hand under and pull, or, you know, it's a bar you can pull. So I believe you were spot on when you said upgrade that hardware. I do agree that it is definitely the lipstick of the bathroom. And rolling into tip number 5, we are going to talk about adding greenery and plants to the bathroom. So, you know, in spaces or luxurious spaces, you always see like luxe plants, like full of life, green, and, you know, definitely thriving in those areas. And if you want for your bathroom to feel more luxurious, we recommend that you add plants. Now, you have 2 types of categories of plants. You can go with faux plants, or you can go with traditional or real plants. If you can't keep them alive like us, or if you overwater your succulents like we did and killed them, we will recommend that you opt for faux plants. And we'll have some faux plants that we like linked down in the description box below. There'll be affordable plants and also those that are more of an investment. So if you want to incorporate those into your spaces, you can incorporate different types of plants, and make sure your plants are to scale. I know a lot of designers don't talk about that, but if you want to make an impact, you want to make sure the things that you're putting inside of this space is to scale. Like, you don't want a huge bathroom or a huge section with a little itty bitty succulent or something like that. So if you are able to put a olive tree or a fig tree, you want to put those types of plants, and you can buy those expensive artificial plants and put them in a nicer pot. And it makes it look more luxurious in that space while you're creating luxury in your entire bathroom.
Especially if you opt for real plants. Eucalyptus, I mean, you talk about spa and luxury. Eucalyptus, especially in a shower, is gonna give off a great scent that's gonna open your lungs and just really make you feel like you're in a spa. Lavender is a very good plant to include in your space. It is very pretty. It adds a pop of color along with the green, and it also gives a very pretty scent off as well. Okay, so tip number 6, you guys, is kinda obvious, but hang some art in your space. Outside of it being something to look at if you forget your phone while you're using the restroom, art really does bring cohesion to the space by combining all of the different colors and metal finishes into one piece. So we also think that hanging art gives depth to your space and it can provide texture. In our previous tip, we suggested that you should incorporate plants. But if for whatever reason you are allergic, this is also another way to incorporate the plant life and color into your space.
Our last tip is to add subtle scents. We all know that the bathroom can kind of be a stinky place. We do a lot of things inside of the bathroom. So we want to incorporate luxury scents, like subtle luxury scents. Like when you go to a hotel, they have some hotels, like if you go to nicer ones or luxurious ones, they have their own scents, like their own luxury signature scents, and you can create your own luxury scent at home. I know, like currently right now, my favorite scent is one by the Hearth and Hand collection. It's called Meadow, and I get it from Target, and it's it has like an earthy kind of like outdoor fresh cut like meadow grass type of scent. And whenever someone comes to our house, you know, just give a couple pumps here or there, and they're always like, oh my gosh, what is it, your house smells so amazing. And you know, creating luxury inside of what we already have, and especially inside of the bathroom, you know, we do a lot of things in there. So you know, having some good scents, I believe that is
extremely beneficial. I also think that having nice candles that have wood wicks.
Oh yes, the crackle.
Yes, it provides so much. It just is peaceful, right? So I think luxury is a combination of really great design, but also this really nice, peaceful, relaxing space. And wood wick candles is gonna do that for your space.
So that sums up our tips for how to make your bathroom more luxurious. So guys, we want you to remember that, you know, design and interior design is personal. So we want you guys to make it personal to your space, personal to your life, and the functionality of your life as well. You know, like nothing that we say here is hard down rules. There are plenty of tips that you can use to make your bathroom feel more luxurious, but these are just a guide to help you guys get the ball rolling as you discover your own design types and styles as well. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we hope that you found our tips helpful. These were some of the things that we came up with while we were brainstorming about luxurious bathrooms and those common things that we find inside of luxurious bathrooms. And we'll see you guys next Tuesday.
Bye.